Precious Mabuza, Chief Executive Officer of FS Mining, has donated $50,000 towards the ZANU-PF Second National People's Conference, set to take place in Mutare, Manicaland Province, from the 13th to the 18th of October 2025. Outrage. A South African miner donates $50,000 to ZANU-PF conference at a time country is grappling with chaotic health system. Subscribe or like on the bell. The donation was made at ZANU-PF headquarters in Harare on Monday 6 October, according to ZANU-PF Treasurer General Patrick Chinamasa, who said FS Mining has voluntarily contributed $50,000 to support the upcoming conference. This is part of the company's ongoing engagement with Zimbabwe's investment climate. Precious Mabuza is the daughter of the late David Dabede Mabuza, who served as Deputy President of the Republic of South Africa from February 2018 to February 2023. She was accompanied to the meeting by her brother David Mabuza Jr., FS Mining's Operations Executive Officer, Sepadi Tebejang, the company's communication officer, at Marimira, the company's Zimbabwe resident officer. Chinamasa added, FS Mining is a South African registered company engaged in coal mining in the Shavan area and owns a mineral refinery in South Africa. The company plans to establish a chrome washing plant by the end of the year, followed by a smelting plant in Zimbabwe in the near future. Speaking about the donation, Mabuza said, the contribution is an expression of gratitude for President Mnangagwa. She declared policy that Zimbabwe is not only open for business, but is also a friend to all and an enemy to none. The donation comes amid growing public anger as Zimbabwe continues to grapple with deteriorating health system. Critics have condemned the timing of the contribution, arguing that private funds should instead support urgent health sector needs. Last month, the Office of the President Cabinet issued a directive compelling companies to contribute at least $3,000 each towards ZANU-PF's 22nd National People's Conference. A letter dated 28 September 2025 and signed by the Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Mishek Mugadza, stated that the contribution was mandatory. It must be paid by 2 October. Tomashoko aripo tudzemoriezi mabo moti kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Na comment section menu, subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.